Okay, the question is, how do you make a 5-figure profit and a 6-figure profit on one deal? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. But first, we have to head over to one of the best neighborhoods in the Baltimore City, Baltimore County area. It is Randallstown. So we're going to go on a road trip and we're going to do the numbers that count, and then we're going to break down the answer to that question. Let's go. Coming out. Negative man.
I'll hit you back.
Hey everybody, this is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, and I'm with mastermind student extraordinaire, developer, rehabber, contractor, mortgage broker. I know, but George has 100 hats and he's doing all of them at a high level. George, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm George Hockaday Bay, and I do what Charles said.
We're at the property right now in Randallstown. All right, do a pan of the neighborhood. Let people see what the neighborhood looks like. Trees. This is a prime location in Baltimore. It's zip code 21213. I'm sorry, 21133. And if you really want some great opportunities and you want a neighborhood that's always growing, that's great appreciation, Randallstown is that area. Now let's talk about this particular deal. How did you find this deal?
It was referred to me. I looked at the deal, immediately said I was interested in it, and we started negotiating, and here we are.
And actually the process was one of the mastermind students who has the deal wholesaled it to George. So that's where you got the two profits, one 5-figure and one 6-figure on one deal. Now, break down the numbers in regards to what was your purchase price on this one?
The purchase price was $150,000. The repair budget estimate was $65,000. I'm probably going to be right around there. I might get it $5,000, save a little money. I don't know.
So you're going to be all in at about 210, 215?
Yep.
Now, what did your hard money cost you? In fact, did you do hard money on this one?
Yes, I did hard money. The hard money cost me, I had to put down $25,000. $25,000 I had to put down for the hard money, and that gave me the payments and the points and all that other stuff. That was all inclusive, my down payment and all the lender fees, closing costs that I needed to bring to the table.
So keep that in mind. This is a deal where George basically put down money up front, and then you're going to have how many drawers?
Probably 4.
Okay.
4, 3 to 3. There's always 3 to 5.
And when you're talking about a draw, you're talking about a situation where he has to upfront whatever that first amount is, and then the actual lender comes in and reimburse him once again, twice, third, fourth time. What is it about this area that made you say, yeah, this was a go?
You look at the pan, it's just a great area. I looked at it, homeowner neighborhood. It's a little nicer. When the lender came and met me, he was like, oh, this is a change for you. I'm usually in the rougher neighborhoods.
No knock on Baltimore, no knock on Baltimore, because Randallstown is definitely a step above.
Yeah. So he was like, well, this is a different for you. I'm like, yeah, I like a little rough and tumble. So
Yeah. And like I said, I know George from years of deals that he's been involved in. He has no problem at all going into the rough neighborhoods, going into the beautiful neighborhoods in Baltimore, and even going as far out in DC and PG County as well.
Yes.
So now you know the outside numbers that count. We're going to walk in, go through the property, and then we're going to come back out and give you the real numbers that count. Okay, we just came from the inside. As you saw, we talked about the numbers to count, how two people can make one a 5-figure profit, one a 6-figure profit. Go back over the actual rehab cost is
$60,000.
we got 60,000 rehab costs. We got 150 in regards to purchase. Now we're at 210,000. Give us a breakdown in regards to what the after rehab value is going to be.
The after rehab is around 330. I'm trying to squeeze a little more. That's why I changed that half bathroom downstairs to a full bath by adding that shower, all that stuff down there. So we'll see what happens. I've known about a month.
So you're going for 330, but you may try to get 350 because of that bathroom downstairs. Now, what's the final numbers in this going to be?
It's going to be a 4, 3.5.
Nice. So you may be able to get that.
I'm telling you, that's always the plan. I didn't bust up that floor for nothing.
Exactly, exactly. So you're looking at a total of probably about 110 to as much as 130 profit on this one deal. How much do you love real estate?
I love it. Can't get enough of it.
Last thing, give anybody any advice in regards to the business and getting started and so on.
Take your time, be cautious with your numbers. Construction is the ugliest part of real estate investing that you can get into, so contractors are key. You're gonna have to fire a couple contractors. I've had blend some crews. I had a fire guy here, this and that, but you just gotta find a way to keep moving. It's not gonna be easy all the time. Sometimes it is easy, but you just have to keep going and rely on people who have a little bit more experience on you for questions. Get you a mentor. Charles has been my mentor for 20 some years. So that's value. You can't substitute knowledge that someone else has, or you can hit your own head up against the wall. It's better to get the lessons from someone else.
I couldn't have said it any better, guys. This is Charles Blair with George Hockenday Bay Real Estate Company.
All service real estate.
And we want to thank you for this episode of The Numbers That Count. Bye-bye.